I have in front of me a Triax HTS 12-way CATV tap/splitter, and this video is equally applicable to the 16-way version of this. So it's available with low-cost small parcel shipping directly from freetv.ie. And the basic purpose of this particular product is to split a signal into up to 12 or 16 different televisions, and it's normally used in sort of professional applications slash industrial. So typically it might be in an apartment block, something like that. Now the key things is what will it do and what won't it do. It'll do terrestrial signal, and it will not do satellite signal, something that you can't be splitting it, so you need to be pretty clear on what you're doing. Or if you're running a signal from a head end, either analog or digital, something like this can support it. I'm just going to tilt it slightly forward just to give you a quick look, and you can just see the writing on it, and the frequency range is 5 to 1000 megahertz on it, so that's pretty important. The input happens here, so it feed this, we'll say, from a terrestrial aerial, so a Serview aerial for instance, and then we can feed it out passively out to up to 12 different outputs, or 16 if it's the other way. We'll see 2 packs of screws come with it here, so you can see where you'd mount it. So we'll say, you can imagine you might use a number of these, we'll say, or a couple of them in an apartment block under a landing, and then run a cable from one of the outputs off to another landing where you'd split it out again. So one of the disadvantages, of course, is that it's not powered. So that does mean that there is a certain level of signal loss with it. So it's not, you can't use splitter after splitter after splitter in cascade mode, because you're obviously going to have a deteriorating signal. But the thing is, the Triax probably are the premium brand in television distribution equipment. So the level of loss on this particular unit is low, and you don't actually need a power for it, we'll say, is an advantage, because you don't need power points at the various locations where you plan to use it. So it has a reasonable number of applications, but it's a relatively niche product, and probably as time goes on it'll become a little bit more niche because technology is moving on a little bit. But TV distribution systems like that still are found in a lot of applications, and we certainly do sell this on an ongoing basis. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Triax 12 and 16 way CATV tap splitter, available directly with low cost shipping from freetv.ie.